Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the question answers of the chapter Ganit ke Guni Ramanujan. So at first we will discuss the Maukhik question answers and after that we will see Likhit. So let's see the first Maukhik question. Our first question is रामानुजन के माता पिता के बारे में बताइए. So here we need to write about the parents of Ramanujan, about his father and mother. Answer is रामानुजन की माता का नाम कोमलतामल था और उनके पिता श्रीनिवास अयंगर कपड़े के एक व्यापारी के यहाँ लेखाकार थे. So his mother's name was Komalatamal and father's name was Srinivas Iyengar, and his father was working as an accountant of a textiles. Okay, mother Komalatamal, father Srinivas Iyengar, who was an accountant. Now let's see the second one. Second question is V. Ramaswamy Iyer कौन थे? Who was Ramaswamy Iyer? So our second answer is V. Ramaswamy Iyer गणित के बहुत बड़े विद्वान और भारतीय गणितीय सोसाइटी के संस्थापक थे. So Ramaswamy Iyer was he was a scholar in mathematics and also he was the founder of Indian Mathematical Society. Our third question, रामानुजन का पहला शोध पत्र किस नाम से और कब प्रकाशित हुआ? So what was the name of his first research paper and when it was published? Third answer is रामानुजन का पहला शोध पत्र सम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बर्नौली नंबर्स नाम से 1911 में प्रकाशित हुआ. सो हिज फर्स्ट रिसर्च पेपर्स नेम वाज सम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बर्नौली नंबर्स एंड इट वाज पब्लिश्ड ऑन 1911. नाउ लेट्स सी द फोर्थ वन. रामानुजन को बीए की उपाधि क्यों प्रदान की गई? Why he got the degree BA or for what he got the degree BA? रामानुजन को उच्च मिश्र संख्याओं पर शोध कार्य करने के लिए बीए की उपाधि प्रदान की. So he do research on उच्च मिश्र संख्या means high alloy numbers. He do research on high alloy numbers. So for that research work he got the degree BA. Now let's see the last Maukhik question. So this is our last question of Maukhik. 1920 में रामानुजन ने हार्डी को पत्र लिखकर क्या बताया? So in 1920, what did Ramanujan told to Hardy through his letter? 1920 में रामानुजन ने हार्डी को पत्र लिखकर मॉक थीटा फंक्शन पर अपने काम के बारे में बताया. So in 1920, Ramanujan wrote a letter to Hardy. In that letter, he wrote about the works of his works on mach theta functions. So Ramanujan, he have done some works on mach theta function. He told about that work. Okay, so we have completed our Maukhik questions and its answers. Now let's see the Likhit questions and its answers. This is our first Likhit question. स्कूली दिनों में जॉर्ज शूवरिचकर के शोध प्रबंध को पढ़ने का रामानुजन पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ा? और वी कैन राइट द सेम क्वेश्चन एज स्कूली दिनों में जॉर्ज शूवरिचकर के शोध प्रबंध पढ़ने पर और पढ़ने के बाद रामानुजन पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ा? Okay, so in school days he studied or he read the research work of George Shoevrishker. So what was the effect after reading that book? What was the effect of Ramanujan? Means what effect did that research work do on Ramanujan? जॉर्ज शूवरिचकर के शोध प्रबंध ने रामानुजन पर व्यापक प्रभाव डाला. उन्होंने उसमें दी गई सभी समस्याओं के हल ढूंढ निकाले और कई नए सूत्र भी खोजे. So after reading that book, it made a lots of changes and or effect on Ramanujan. What did he do? उन्होंने उसमें दी गई सभी समस्याओं के हल ढूंढ निकाले. He solved all the questions which are there in that book. You have to think that that is a research book and he was a school student. So he was solving a high level question. So he solved all that questions which are there in that research book and also kai naye sutra bhi khoje, and also he invented some new equations also. Okay, so that is the answer. He solved all the questions answer and he invented many new equations. Now let's see the second one. Second question, Ramanujan kaise vidyarthi the? Which kind of a student was Ramanujan? रामानुजन प्रतिभाशाली विद्यार्थी थे. आरंभिक शिक्षा के दौरान उन्हें उनकी गणितीय प्रतिभा के लिए कई पुरस्कार मिले. एफए के विद्यार्थी के रूप में कुंभकोणम के राजकीय विद्यालय में छात्रवृत्ति भी जीती. सो रामानुजन he was an intelligent student and आरंभिक शिक्षा के दौरान from the primary education itself he got many awards for his mathematical intelligence. and FA के विद्यार्थी के रूप में as a student of FA he got scholarship also from Kumbhakonam Rajagiya Vidyalaya. Okay, now let's see the third one. Third question, रामानुजन लंदन कब और क्यों गए? Why did Ramanujan went to London and when? Answer is रामानुजन सन 1914 में विख्यात अंग्रेज गणितज्ञ GH हार्डी और उनके सहयोगी जॉन लिटिलवुड के बुलावे पर लंदन गए. So Ramanujan went to London on 1914. For what? Why he went London? अंग्रेज गणितज्ञ GH हार्डी और उनके सहयोगी जॉन लिटिलवुड के बुलावे पर. So the famous English mathematician GH Hardy and his friend or his colleague John Littlewood, both of them invited Ramanujan to London. That's why he went to London in 1914. Now let's see the last question. So this is our last question. रामानुजन के जीवन काल की महत्वपूर्ण उपलब्धियों का वर्णन करें. We need to write about the achievements, the important achievements of Ramanujan on his lifetime. So our final answer is रामानुजन की सबसे महत्वपूर्ण उपलब्धि है उनकी 3 नोटबुक जिनमें लगभग 300 प्रमेय दर्ज है. इसके अतिरिक्त उन्होंने उच्च मिश्र संख्याओं पर शोध कार्य किया जिसके लिए उन्हें 1916 में BA की उपाधि प्रदान की गई. सन 1918 में रॉयल सोसाइटी की प्रतिष्ठित फेलोशिप पाने वाले वे पहले भारतीय गणितज्ञ थे। उन्होंने रामानुजन अभाज्य और रामानुजन थीटा फंक्शन जैसे मौलिक और अपरंपरागत परिणामों सहित लगभग 3900 गणितीय परिणाम हासिल किए। So, his important achievement is his 3 notebooks in which almost 300 types of questions were there. Means we studied that after reading the research works, he do prepare notebooks. इसके अतिरिक्त and more about that, उन्होंने उच्च मिश्र संख्याओं पर शोध कार्य किया। He do research on high alloy numbers and for that in 1916 he got the degree BA and in 1918 he got the fellowship of Royal Society. It's a reputed fellowship and he became the first Indian mathematician who got this fellowship. And also Ramanujan Abhajya and Ramanujan theta function. Like Ramanujan Abhajya and Ramanujan theta function मौलिक और अपरंपरागत परिणामों सहित means elementary and conventional. All his works were elementary and unconventional. And like this, like Ramanujan Abhajya and Ramanujan theta function, he got almost 3900 solutions, maths solutions. Okay, means after reading every books, every research works, he do prepare his own notes. He didn't follow anyone. He do the questions, answers on his own way. He made his own solutions. That's why it is said as maulik or aparamparagat. It was maulik, it was elementary, and it was aparamparagat. He didn't follow any parampara. He made his own way. That's why the word is used aparamparagat. Okay, so likewise he got 3900 maths solutions. Okay, so that was the मौखिक and लिखित question answers of the chapter Ganit ke Guni Ramanujan. I hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.